Hi, I want to show you some of the Google tools that you can use if you have a Google account. At the moment, I can see that I'm actually logged in to my account here. And in the menu bar, there are a lot of different things to choose between. And I'm going to show the Drive part here, where you can create documents. And it's good if you use the Google possibilities because it does not take any space on the site we are going to do together, because the space is limited on the Group 4 project site. So here you can either create or upload files from your computer. If you want to create a new file, you can choose between document, presentation, like PowerPoint, a more simply way of PowerPoint. Spreadsheets is where you can do calculations if you want to make some kind of questionnaire or drawing. So let's make a document here. And first thing, documents need a title. So let's call it just test here. Okay. And then you perhaps want to write things. You can insert different things, images, link, equations, drawings, and do most of the things that you do in Word. And you are going to find this out by yourself. But one thing I'm going to show you is, and that is important, that you share this. And you should share it with your supervisor and perhaps with your members in your group. And from start, you are the owner, so it's only you that can see this. If you want to change this, you can make it public on the web, or you can let anyone with a link be able to see the document, or you can have it private. If you have it private, it's really important that at least the teachers can see it, but I think you should use anyone with a link here. And then you can add people here. If you want other people to be able to write in this document, you could add people like your group members, and perhaps I could add my colleague here. She's in my contacts, so she comes up, and now she can add. And when I press share and save, Anne is getting an email that I shared this document with her, and I'm not going to notify her with an email in this case. Share and save. Okay, now I've shared this with Anne. Now we are done with this. Okay, done. Yeah, perhaps that's all I need to show you about making a Word document. Now closing this, and I'm back where we started. This is all documents and my folders that I have. So I have a special IB folder and a special folder for the Group 4 project this year. Another thing I want to show you is, perhaps you can find that out by yourself. If you press this, Kim Plus, that's one way of chatting, video chatting, or sharing between peoples. And I got a circle here called Food Group 4 Project 2013, and here I can write things that I want to share with you if you are invited to this circle. It's also possible to start an Hangout, and Hangouts is the video chatting, and then you tell what people you want to video chat with, and you can be more than one. The whole group can video chat at the same time. Yeah, perhaps that's enough about it. Search is, and I come to Google search, and I'm going to search for Google Sites. Google Sites. And when I do that, in my sites that I have created is coming up here. And the one we are going to use a lot is the Food Group for Project 2013 site. And here, this site is the place where we are going to put everything that we make, and our presentations, documents, and things like that. And here the supervisor can follow the students, what they have done. One thing I want you to do as soon as possible is to open this site. And I'm going to give you a link, and check that your name is in the name and email address here, and you should have a Gmail. So if you don't, you should get an email account and put the mail here. And as you can see, we have sorted you in different groups here, group 1 to 7, so you can see the group members in your group. You can also write what subject you have in this part. You do it like this. You just press the place your name here, and then you get a place where you can edit the item, and my subject is, well, I'm supervisor and chemistry teacher. Let me see if I can up teacher. Okay. And we are not decided which group I'm going to supervise. We are going to put that in this list later. Okay. I'm going to show you more about this Food Group for Project site and how you work with it, but I'm doing that in another YouTube clip. Okay, goodbye.